Good morning. Going really good. Love that for me. You guys, this is what I needed since I had my little weight loss update thing. I said, okay, bitch. These are my favorite teas also to help me. It's called Helly's, and I have them stored like this. See these right here? You can have them drink cold or hot, but these you have to have these hot so it can actually work 100% better. But you guys, look at the aesthetic. Look at the aesthetic here. Oh, see. But I'm waiting for that to get settled. You know, settled in there really good. Marinated. And I think I need to go ahead and charge my camera. I feel it. I have to charge it. Because if I don't. I feel like if I don't, it's going to be blinking by the time I film a video. Let me do that. Hey you guys, finally I get to have a decent convo with you guys. So I noticed that my camera is about to just go ahead and say, douche, you're not going to be vlogging in the next 10 minutes. But I just want to say I had so much fun creating content last night. It just brought back so many vibes of on a Saturday night, creating content, don't have any plans, get your work done. I just had a ball creating content for you guys last night. It was so much fun. And if you're an upcoming content creator, let me tell you guys one of my favorite go-to gadgets. Or if you're an upcoming TikToker, or just kind of want to get in the swing of the new phase. My favorite right now is this ring light from e.l.f. The brightness level adjustments is very great. I do have a review of this. It'll be linked below. So you hit 1 click, 2 clicks, 3 clicks, and then click on number 4, you cut it off. You have to have AAA batteries for these, but I really love these because one, it makes your lighting a lot better and things. And then I'm gonna just cut the camera. I think the sun is trying to come out because it was really, I had plans to go to church today, but it was so rainy. It was girl, I did not want to get out of bed. I'm on a break from Thanksgiving. I said, hey, I was going to go to church. You know, I had so many days off, but today was just one of those days where it was thundering. It was like the most rainiest Sunday mornings of them all. And God loves me. I know I love God, and I know He loves me. But I went Bedside Baptist Church today. I got the word in. I wasn't there present, but I was there through the live. So I got the word in. Y'all, these nails, I'm proud of my nails, though. They're still on, because usually they be all by this week, and I'm not going to jinx it. But I just love how my nails are still on. Period. So my camera is blinking, and I'm going to have to do an editing whole session until about 1 o'clock, and I'm going to go back and lay down. And then after I do an editing session, because I have to finish a Busties tape collaboration. I know I'm a week late with Busties. I know. I'm sorry, y'all. My schedule with me trying to run 3 channels, this is just too much. But I'm going to get right on to that Busties collaboration. And yeah, let's get to work. All of it. I made it back, as you can see. I'm going to be decorating the outside of my home. But I am going to show you guys like what I picked up for it. But I'm not going to show the outside part because that's creepy. Okay. So my mom got these for me last year. These are like lollipops. And I didn't even use them this last year. So I'm going to use them this year. And put them on my door because it kind of like matches. I'm taking the tags off of them as we speak. It kind of matches my rug I got. So this is a red lollipop. I think I'm just going to have like, kind of like in a certain way. Put them. And then I have brought, at Gabe, I brought this. It's a kitchen mat, but we're going to use this kitchen mat as my doormat because it's so cute. I said this has to be outside. It says Seasons Greetings and it has green in it. I said this has to be outside. So I'm going to put that out there. They have so many different kinds, and for the price, I paid $10 for this, which is really, really cute. And then adding some more hand dishwasher soap. So I'm just gonna be out here on the porch. I'm gonna decorate it a little bit. Let me see. Now, probably need to charge my camera because I am gonna be filming content tonight. That is the plan. To film as much content as possible. Match. Yeah, they don't match. I'll put it right here, like I said. So I'm excited, you guys. I'm really excited to see the outcome. It's gonna be so cute. It's gonna be so cute. So far it's coming along, but I think it just needs something. It needs a wreath. It needs something.